Feliz Navidad from Mexico. To cap off our time in Guadalajara, we spent a day exploring the Pueblo Mágico of tequila. This experience was hosted by Jose Cuervo, who I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with.
We got to experience everything from the agave fields to tasting the actual product, and then we took a sunset ride on the Tequila Express train back to Guadalajara. Let's go.
We started the day by driving to the Jose Cuervo agave fields for a demonstration from the jimadores on how agave is grown and harvested. Apparently, our jimador has a background in telenovelas, so he loved the attention from the cameras. It takes between 6 and 12 years for blue agave to mature, which certainly gives us more of an appreciation for the spirit. Adding to that, as you can see, the jimadores do most of the harvesting process by hand. This is a trade usually passed down from generation to generation.
We tried some of the raw agave piña, which didn't taste like too much. It was hard and crunchy with only a hint of sweetness. One important thing to note is that tequila is not the same as mezcal. Tequila can only be produced from blue agave, as is grown in these fields, and can only be produced in specific areas of Mexico, similar to Champagne or Bordeaux.
We then headed to La Rojena, Jose Cuervo's distillery, which is actually the oldest active distillery in all of Latin America. We saw how the piñas, once harvested, go through a cooking process in huge steam ovens, before being crushed into pulp, left to ferment and produce alcohol, which is then distilled into the tequila we know and love.
The process doesn't stop there for all tequila. Those we buy as reposado or añejo are aged in oak barrels to impart extra flavor. A cool fact for anyone picking up a bottle of tequila is that reposado actually means rested and añejo means aged. We had some free time in the town of Tequila to explore and have lunch. We picked a restaurant which had some amazing food and live singers. Shout out to Carlos and Mary who joined us for lunch after we met them in line at the restaurant.
Of course, we had the opportunity to have a tequila tasting, where they explained what aromas and flavors to expect from different types of tequila. Things started to get a little hazy from here on out.
Swallow and then react. In this way, at the end, I'd like to say that one.
Our time in Tequila was capped off with a lively Mexican show. As you can see, the audience were getting right into it, and we were definitely spurred on by the free-flowing tequila at this point.
The Jose Cuervo experience ended with a sunset train ride back to Guadalajara. We picked this tour specifically for the train experience, as we thought it was definitely a unique way to see the countryside. The sunset trip was beautiful, and we met some more amazing people in Fernando and Yadira, who we shared some drinks with on the ride back home.
For anyone visiting Guadalajara and wanting a full tequila experience, we definitely recommend this one. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing if you want to see more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.